the day, where local storm reports, storm summaries, and outreach information can be found. Another popular product on our homepage is the Weather Story. This is a one-page look at what the main weather forecast story is for the day or for the week. We're also on Facebook and Twitter. You can search for U.S. National Weather Service Detroit /Pontiac and like us. Or our handle on Twitter is at NWS Detroit. These social media sites offer interesting weather history, facts, trivia, forecast, and photos. We have a YouTube channel as well. Just search for the channel NWS Detroit.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, KEC 63, KIH 29, WNG 582, WNG 647, and WNG 701. We are currently in backup mode due to maintenance or upgrade operations. This broadcast originates from the Weather Forecast Office in White Lake, Michigan. The broadcast is then disseminated to 5 different transmitters across southeast Michigan. KEC 63 Detroit is transmitted out of Southfield, Michigan with a frequency of 162.550 megahertz. Flint, KIH 29, is transmitted out of Clio with a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. Adrian, WNG 647, is transmitted at a frequency of 162.450 megahertz. Sandusky, WNG 582, is transmitted at a frequency of 162.450 megahertz. And Bad Axe, WNG 705 degrees. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs. Rest of today, breezy. Scattered flurries until 5 p.m. Cloudy. Highs 31 to 35. Northwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy until around midnight, then mostly clear. Lows 20 to 24. Northwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Thursday, breezy. Mostly sunny until 10 a.m., then partly cloudy. Highs 33 to 37. Northwest winds 15 to 25 miles per hour. And now the forecast for the Ann Arbor and Detroit vicinities. Rest of today, scattered flurries until 5 p.m. Cloudy. Near steady temperature in the lower 30s. Northwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy in the evening, then clearing. Lows 22 to 26. Northwest winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. Thursday, mostly sunny until 10 a.m., then partly cloudy. Highs 35 to 39. Northwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Also, the forecast for Lenawee and Monroe counties. Rest of today, cloudy. Forecast Office in White Lake, Michigan. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning alarm system for NOAA, All Hazards radio station, KEC 63. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted each Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting only the following southeast lower Michigan counties: Livingston, Oakland, Macomb, Washington, Wayne, Lenawee, Monroe, and St. Clair. This concludes the test of NOAA weather radio station KEC 63. We now return to the normal broadcast. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs. Rest of today, breezy. Scattered flurries until 5 p.m. Cloudy. Highs 31 to 35. Northwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy until around midnight, then
then mostly clear. Lows 20 to 24. Northwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Thursday, breezy. Mostly sunny until 10 a.m., then partly cloudy. Highs 33 to 37. Northwest winds 15 to 25 miles per hour. And now the forecast for the Ann Arbor and Detroit vicinities. Rest of today, scattered flurries until 5 p.m. Cloudy, near steady temperature in the lower 30s. Northwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy in the evening, then clearing. Lows 22 to 26. Northwest winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. Thursday, mostly sunny until 10 a.m., then partly cloudy. Highs 35 to 39. Northwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Also, the forecast for Lenawee and Monroe counties. Rest of today, cloudy, near steady temperature in the lower 30s. Northwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy early in the evening, then clearing. Lows 21 to 25. Northwest winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs 34 to 38. West winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. And now the remainder of the 7-day forecast for the listening area. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows 26 to 30. Northwest winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. Friday, partly cloudy. Highs 35 to 39. Northwest winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows 30 to 34. Saturday, partly cloudy. Highs 38 to 42. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows 33 to 37. Sunday, partly cloudy. Highs 44 to 48. Sunday night, mostly cloudy. Lows 37 to 41. Monday, mostly cloudy. Highs 45 to 49. Monday night, a chance of showers until around midnight, then a chance of rain and snow showers. Mostly cloudy. Lows 34 to 38. Chance of precipitation 40%. Tuesday, cloudy with a chance of rain and snow showers. Highs 37 to 41. Chance of precipitation 30%. The Lake St. Clair forecast. Rest of today, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots. Mostly cloudy. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Tonight, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots. Partly cloudy. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Thursday, northwest winds 20 to 25 knots, diminishing to 15 to 20 knots late. Partly sunny. Waves 1 to 3 feet. A small craft advisory may be needed. Thursday night, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots, diminishing to 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Partly cloudy. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Friday, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots, diminishing to 5 to 10 knots by evening. Partly cloudy. Waves 2 feet or less. Saturday, west winds 5 to 10 knots. Partly cloudy. Waves 2 feet or less. Sunday, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Partly cloudy. Waves 2 feet or less.
These are the 11 a.m. observations for Wednesday. At Detroit Metro Airport, it was cloudy. The temperature was 28 degrees, the dew point 21, and the relative humidity 75%. The wind was northwest at 16 miles an hour, gusting to 22, producing a wind chill of 16. The pressure was 30.28 inches and falling. At Pontiac, it was 25 degrees and cloudy, with a wind chill of 12. Detroit City Airport, it was 30 and cloudy. At Flint, cloudy and 27 degrees. At Howell, it was 25 and cloudy. At Lapeer, it was 26 and cloudy. Observations from the rest of lower Michigan. At Muskegon, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 31. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 20 at Hogan Lake, 28 at Grand Rapids, and 27 at Lansing. Under cloudy skies, Traverse City reported 24, Kalamazoo reported 31, and Tri-Cities reported 26. Now looking to the Upper Peninsula. At Sault Ste. Marie, it was sunny, with a temperature of 16. A few out-of-state locations. It was cloudy. It was 31 at Chicago, 31 at Cleveland, and 29 at Toledo. Once again at Detroit Metro Airport, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 28.
These are the 11 a.m. marine observations for Wednesday. At Port Hope, the wind was north at 15 miles an hour, gusting to 24. At Port Huron, the wind was north at 10 miles an hour. At Mount Clemens, the wind was north at 15 miles an hour. At Gros Seal, the wind was northwest at 15 miles an hour, gusting to 21. At Monroe, the wind was north at 13 miles an hour, gusting to 20. At Saginaw Billette in Inner Saginaw Bay, the wind was north at 13 knots, gusting to 14. At Gravelly Shoals in outer Saginaw Bay, the wind was northwest at 18 knots, gusting to 22. At Harbor Beach, the wind was north at 18 knots, gusting to 21. For the North Lake Huron buoy northeast of Alpena, the wind was north at 16 knots, gusting to 19. And the wave height was 3 feet. For the South Lake Huron buoy east of Escoda, the wind was north at 19 knots, gusting to 23. And the wave height was 6 feet. The report from Western Lake Erie buoy 45,005 was not available. Toledo Light recorded winds from the northwest at 18 knots. Air temperature is 29.
This is NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Station KEC 63 in Southfield. The station broadcasts from the National Weather Service in White Lake at a frequency of 162.55 MHz.
Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs.